Welcome to this 10-minute flexibility routine, and today we're going to gently open up all the tight muscles of our body. Initially you may feel tight or stiff, so I recommend using two blocks to feel more stable in all the poses. So let's get started. Come to the wall, half bend, and just walk your legs, bending the knees one by one to feel the activation in your hamstrings. Make sure that you're folding from your hips, okay, not from the lower back. Now let's straighten both of your knees and hold the pose. Slightly shift your hip back to feel the stretch even deeper. Come to a wide stance, approx 4 feet apart, and we're gonna do side lunges, 5 on each side. You can see the modifications if you need. You should be feeling gentle stretch. ऐसा लगना नहीं चाहिए आप forcefully कुछ कर रहे हो. Stay within your limit. Now let's turn the right foot outward. Both feet are at 90-degree angle with each other. And let's hold the triangle pose. You can do the modifications if you need. Observe where you are feeling the stretch. Come out of the pose and let's switch to the other side. Turn the left foot outward, bend forward, and come to triangle pose. Now come to low lunge on the left side. Push your hips forward. We're gonna add a side bend here. Left elbow is on the left thigh and bend towards the left side. Feel the stretch along your right side of your body. Straighten your front leg and come to half split. Point your toes upward towards the ceiling so that you can feel a deeper stretch in your hamstrings. Next, low lunge on the right side, and we're gonna add a side bend here. Push your pelvis forward to feel a deeper stretch in your hip flexors and along the left side. Straighten the front leg and come to half split. Hold it here, toes pointing upward. Try not to force this pose, you can use the modifications instead. Step back to downward facing dog, and now bend your left knee, bring it to your palms and come down to half pigeon pose. If your hips do not reach the ground, then you can place 1 or 2 blocks under your hips. You will feel more stable in this pose. Come up and step back into downward facing dog and repeat the same pose with the other side. Come out of the pose and come to tabletop. We're gonna do cat and cow. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Drop your belly down and look up. Exhale, round. Tuck your tailbone in. Chin to the chest. And repeat this thrice more. Once you're done, lift your left arm up, thread it in between the right hand and the right leg. You can straighten your hand forward or you can go for the bind. Tucking your right hand to your left thigh from behind, only if it is accessible for you today. Come out of the pose and now lift your right arm up, thread it in between your left hand and the left thigh. Straighten your arm and go for the tuck if it is possible. It will gently open up your chest. Slowly release the pose and lie down on your stomach. We're gonna lift up into a cobra pose. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed and your back is engaged. Engaged कहने का मतलब ये है कि हमें अपने बैक के मसल्स को यूज करना है to lift up our chest. Gently bring your chest down and we're gonna go for child pose to relax our back. Lengthen out your spine in child pose. Come out of the child pose and sit down in Vajrasana. Hands are behind your hips. Now you can gently lean back into your elbows. If you're feeling stretch in your quads here, then stay here. Otherwise, you can completely lie down on your back. Come out of the pose and now stand up on your knees. Inhale, extend your spine. Lean back, grab your heels and now push your pelvis forward as you can so as to feel a deep stretch in your back. Always modify the pose if you are feeling excessive stretch. Okay, you don't have to force. Come out of the pose in the same way as we did the pose. Bring your hips down and swing your legs forward. Lie down and hug your knees. Circle them around as big circles as you can and feel the release in your glutes and lower back. From here, bring both of your knees to the right side and look towards the left side. Gentle twist here. Feel the release in your lower back. Bring them back to the center and repeat with the other side. Look towards the right side. Again, back to the center. Now lift your legs up and lift your hips off the ground. Come to Halasana. Follow the modification if you haven't got your Halasana yet. You can always bend your knees slightly if you feel extra stretch in your hamstrings here. Gently bring your hip down to the mat and you can relax in Shavasana. Thank yourself for giving time for your body. I want you to repeat this routine for 3 to 4 times a week so that you can see the difference in range of motion of your joints. See you next time.